Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the benefits, uses, and potential risks of a spice called star anise. Star anise is a spice made from the fruit of the Chinese evergreen tree, native to northeast Vietnam and southwest China. It has a distinctive star shape and a flavor that is similar to licorice. Star anise oil is highly fragrant oil used in cooking, toothpaste, perfumery, soaps, mouthwashes, and skin creams. It is often confused with the spice anise, which is a totally different plant and spice. Japanese anise should be avoided at all costs, as it is poisonous to humans. Star anise makes the perfect after-dinner tea, as it promotes the production of digestive enzymes, relieving bloating and gas. Star anise, besides having a really cool shape, has so many benefits. Star anise is a spice with many benefits and uses. It can add flavor and aroma to your dishes, as well as support your health in various ways. And consult with your doctor if you have any medical conditions or allergies. Thank you for watching this video. You can find a link in the description to our apothecary and order your own star anise. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. See you next time.